Hey, what's up everyone? This is Andrew Gray, and people ask me, how do I have my gaming set up? It's easy. I had one simple idea. I was like, I want to be able to game anywhere in my house. So no matter where I'm at, I want to be able to whip out a controller and just start playing. So I was like, okay, I have 5 Apple TVs. Can I potentially stream Steam to all 5? So that's what I did, exactly that. I was able to set up a gaming VM in ESXi 6.7 and use Steam to stream to all 5 Apple TVs. I mean, not at the same time, but whichever Apple TV I'm watching or I'm using, I could be able to stream my game directly to it. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So I will show you how to set up the whole process. The first thing I did was I install ESXi 6.7. If you don't know how to do that, just Google and you'll find a simple install method and how to get it set up and all of that. And after that, I created a VM. I give it 6 CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, and I passed through my GT 1030. Yeah, well, it's a proof of concept. I was testing it out. I was like, okay, if this works well, I'll invest in a better GPU. So it ended up working really good. So that's my next process, to buy a GPU and take that 1030 out of there. So the process works great. I have my guide below. You can download the guide and see how I set it all up. And let me know, drop some comments and let me know what you guys think, if it's something that you guys would do. And also, I'm doing this on Wi-Fi. I haven't really run Ethernet all over the houses yet. So this is all running on Wi-Fi and it runs really good. I have no problems. It just works, and that's what I like about it. It's simple. So whenever I have friends come over, I can just whip out a controller and we just play anywhere we at. If they're up in the loft or in the living room, I could just whip out a controller and we just start playing. We don't have to go through no hassles. The VM is always running 24/7 and it's just always ready to go. We just whip out a controller and bam, you're ready. No questions asked, it's ready.